Hello, Sketchon long live. Today I'm going to install the motorcycle inflatable cushion. So I bought this in Amazon for like 39 bucks. Yes, from Amazon. We're gonna open it. So we have this is the pump. I'm sure this is the pump. The strap. We have the strap here. We have the this is like a pump. This pump, air pump here. You will need this to pump the water to the cushion. So we have this strap. We have two strap here. And we got the inflatable seat here. So let's install it. I'm gonna install it to my Harley 48. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Okay. So first, you wanna just pump this seat, inflatable seat cushion with air. You can just connect this hose here. See here, but so this one is locked. You have to twist to open it. Okay, and then plug this one here. Make sure it's twisted open, and then pump it. It took like 30 seconds to complete. Once the air is inside, you just close this one, like tighten it, and then you can now remove this. So the air will not release on this. See here? This is gonna be a comfy. And then you can put your strap, like you have two straps. There you go. On the other side of other corners, you have to put your strap across the cushion. There you go. It's easy. So we have another one here. You can actually open a little bit the hook or for the strap, so you can put easily, and then you can squeeze. You can squeeze on it, and you can squeeze it. There you go. So you have two options installing this. So either you put air or you put water on it. So if you want to put water inside, so you need to use this pan powered by USB. Let's see. You can install it there. To install the cushion on the seat, you need to release this one. I just released this one. I already loosed it. So take that and take the seats, push. So we already removed the seat, and we're going to install now the cushion. Just right. So I'm gonna put across this seat. See that? Put the strap on it. You can tie the strap if you want. You can adjust it. Like a little bit tighter. There you go. See? Looks good. There you go. Long live. Long live.